Safeguarding your digital realm, Web Isolation and Containment, Demystified. Introduction. In the vast and sometimes treacherous landscape of the internet, safeguarding your digital realm is paramount. Two crucial strategies in the arsenal of cybersecurity are web isolation and containment. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the simplified essence of these concepts and explore their implementation to fortify your online experience. Web isolation, a shield against digital dangers. Web isolation functions as an invisible shield, protecting your computer from potential threats encountered during web browsing. Just as a magical forest may harbor unknown dangers, the internet is rife with unseen hazards. The goal of web isolation is to allow users to explore the digital wilderness without direct exposure to potentially harmful elements. How it works. When you click on a link or visit a website, your connection is redirected through a specialized web isolation service. This service acts as a middleman, opening the web page on its servers rather than directly on your device. By doing so, any malicious code or malware present on the website is contained within the service's environment, preventing it from affecting your computer. Implementation. Companies employ various tools and services to implement web isolation. One prevalent technology is the use of remote browsers or cloud browsers. These browsers open web pages on remote servers, ensuring that any harmful elements are kept at a safe distance. An example of such technology is semantic web isolation. Web containment, trapping the digital threats. Web containment is akin to placing harmful substances in a sealed box, preventing them from causing harm. In the digital realm, this involves running potentially risky web content in a controlled environment, known as a sandbox. The sandbox isolates any potentially harmful code, ensuring it cannot escape to harm your computer or network. How it works. When you visit a website, especially one with unknown or potentially harmful content, the web containment system runs the content in a sandbox. This sandbox is a secure container where any malicious code is trapped, unable to breach the confines of its controlled environment. Implementation. Web browsers and operating systems often incorporate built-in sandboxing features. For instance, Google Chrome uses sandboxing to separate web processes from the main system, minimizing the risk of any malicious code affecting your computer. Further details about Google Chrome's sandboxing can be found here. Harmony and implementation, strengthening your defenses. Implementing both web isolation and containment creates a robust defense against digital threats. It combines the protective shield of web isolation with the secure confinement of potentially harmful code within a sandbox. Here's how these strategies work together. User interaction. Web isolation. When a user interacts with a website, the connection is redirected through a web isolation service, keeping potential threats away from the user's device. Web containment. If the website contains potentially harmful code, it runs in a sandbox, ensuring any malicious elements are confined and cannot harm the user's computer. Secure connection. Web isolation. The web page is opened on remote servers through a secure connection, providing a layer of protection against direct exposure to malicious code. Web containment. Running web content in a sandbox creates a secure, isolated environment, preventing any digital threats from spreading beyond the controlled space. The digital guardians, ensuring safe exploration. In summary, web isolation and containment act as the digital guardians of your online adventures. Web isolation serves as an invisible shield, redirecting connections and keeping potential threats at bay. Simultaneously, web containment traps and isolates any harmful code within a controlled environment, preventing it from causing harm. Staying updated with the latest security practices is crucial in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Technology continually advances, and by combining web isolation and containment, organizations can minimize the risks associated with web browsing, providing users with a safer and more secure online experience. As you embark on your digital journey, remember that these protective spells are designed to enhance your confidence in exploring the digital wilderness. Web isolation and containment technologies work harmoniously to ensure that the unseen dangers of the internet remain just that, unseen and unable to harm your digital realm.